Hi there guys, so I've gone and tried to jack up the VAUXHALL CORSA limited edition. Now with the side skirt, as you can see, it's quite low. Now the standard jack will come with, which is supposed to be going underneath, fitted right there. As you can see where my finger pointing. The standard jack is cording onto the side skirt, or the spoiler as you can see. So I had to go and get a trolley jack. Because the standard jack, as you can see, it caught the spoiler, the side skirt. So just a tip, instead of wasting time with a standard jack, go and get yourself a 2-ton trolley jack. You can see I just got enough clearance on the side spoiler or the side skirt just to get a trolley jack in. So now I got a wheel off, and what we are looking for is to jack the brake pads. So you can either do it from the side try to show you guys the easiest way. Just a tip, instead of wasting time with a standard jack, go and get yourself a 2-ton trolley jack.